Here are important quotes encapsulate Assaraf's wisdom and insights on success, mindset, and personal growth. Hello, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Before starting the video, I have a small request for all of you. If you are visiting the channel for the first time, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. What you focus on expands, and when you focus on the goodness in your life, you create more of it. Success is buried on the other side of rejection. A belief is not an idea held by the mind. It is an idea that holds the mind. To achieve goals you've never achieved before, you need to start doing things you've never done before. It's not about the goal. It's about growing to become the person that can accomplish that goal. You are the only person on earth who can use your ability. Your self-image dictates what you will become. When you are interested in something, you do it only when it's convenient. When you are committed to something, you accept no excuses, only results. If you are interested, you'll do what's convenient. If you're committed, you'll do whatever it takes. The only limits to the possibilities in your life tomorrow are the buts you use today. The more you move toward what you want, the more what you want moves toward you. The brain is the most powerful organ in your body. Use it to its fullest potential. Success is not a destination, it's a journey. The joy is in the journey. Your outer world is a reflection of your inner world. If you want to change your circumstances, start by changing your thoughts. Your habits will determine your future. Make sure they're leading you in the right direction. You don't get in life what you want. You get what you believe you deserve. Success is not just about what you accomplish in your life. It's about what you inspire others to do. The quality of your life is determined by the quality of your questions. Focus on progress, not perfection. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. Your past does not determine your future unless you allow it to. Success is not about being the best, it's about being better than you were yesterday. Every adversity carries with it the seed of an equal or greater opportunity. The only limits that exist are the ones you place on yourself. Don't let fear dictate your decisions. Have faith in yourself and your abilities. These quotes encapsulate Assaraf's insights on success, mindset, and personal growth. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.